Hello and welcome to the program. Please support our channel. Just click the subscribe button, and YouTube likes it and we love it too. Today we're going to talk about how to create a watch list in Thinkorswim. Okay, with Thinkorswim open, what we're going to do is click Market Watch. And make sure you have quotes clicked on the left here. Okay, because you have alerts, visualize, financing rates, and calendar. So make sure you have quotes clicked right here. Then we're going to go over to the far right here where it says show scan query menu and not show actions menu. Okay, kind of got froze there. So we're going to click this and then select create watch list. And this window comes up right here. Watch list name. We're just going to name this oil. And then here, you put the ticker. We'll say BP. Enter. Second one, we'll say MRO. Enter. And say that's it. We'll just click save. So there, it actually automatically changed it to oil. But if you click this, you would go to personal. Here's the watch list that I have created. And here's the one we just created, oil. And there it is. Now I'm going to show you something else where you can link this right to the chart and look at it. So go back and click charts. And then on the right, on the far left here, you can click this right here. And that comes out like this. And there's lots of things here that are up already. Okay, so what you do is, like here, I'll click that, go to personal, and then look for the oil, the one we just made, oil. Now I'll click the watch list right here, it'll drop down, and now you can see there's our oils that we have. And say we wanted to add some, okay, like BTU, enter, that's it. Add it right here. Alright, or DVN. We're like, no, say you wanted to remove DVN. You can do it right from this watch list. Just hit back, enter, now it's gone. And now I'm going to show you how we link that. If I'm going to move this over like this more, you see it says number 5, there's a link there, unlink. Which means if I click this, nothing happens. So if you click this to 5, and then I set my chart to 5, now when I click this, it automatically show up right on my chart like that. Now let's say you want to create another watch list here. We would go down here. Well, we already created the watch list, but we want to create more boxes here. We go down to the bottom gear here, customize gadgets, click. Or no, I'm sorry. Click the add button. Add a gadget. So these are called gadgets. We'll go add there. And then you can have what you do. You want live audio, you want news, trader TV. We want watch list. Click that. One automatically appears here. Now it says energy and oil, but we have to click that. Go to personal. Go down to here's the ones I made, as you can see, bullish scan. And we'll go to the one we made, oil. Now if you notice it's unlinked, there's that little picture of like a paper clip there. Click that to 5. Now it will work. So there, now we have a watch list for oil. And you can add as many as you want. And you can adjust, how we move it like this. So I hope you find that useful. It's a nice way, and if you have multiple charts and multiple drop-down watch lists here, you can have, these links set 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then each chart can be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I hope you find that useful. That's how we set up the create watch list for Thinkorswim. And I thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.